this video, we will guide you on SQL Pos system. Let's click on POS. Enter your opening balance. Select Open Counter. If you're using any barcode scanning device, you can straight away scan your item code or barcode, or you can also click on the search button. Let's say antenna, one box of antenna. Second item, let's say Sql prepaid card. If let's say the customer is buying 2 units of Sql prepaid card, you may click on the plus or minus icon to increase the quantity, or you can also click on the prefix quantity button, let's say 2 units. The third item, if the default selling price is not inserted for this PON item, once you select it, system will ask you to insert the selling price, let's say 56 ringgit. If let's say you would like to give a discount for this item BM, you can either select your preset discount button, 5%, 10%, 15%, or you can also give a custom discount. For example, if you want to give a discount by percentage, you may click on this button. Or if you want to give a discount by amount, let's try to give a discount 6 ringgit. Click on OK. So once you have done this, just click on the payment button. For example, if the customer is paying 180 ringgit, so you may click 180 ringgit. Just click on OK. So once you click on OK, system will automatically print out the receipt, and as you can see, this receipt is total amount 179, customer is paying 180, and there's a change for 1 ringgit. Let's continue on second bill. So for example, customer buying this DG prepaid and also Ericsson. So once you have done this cash bill, let's proceed to payment. So in the payment screen, if you would like to give a lump sum discount of 20 ringgit, then you may enter the 20 ringgit discount here. If let's say this customer is paying partially by credit card and partially by cash, then you may tick on multiple payment. Let's say customer paying 80 ringgit by cash and the remaining 500 is paying by MasterCard. Just click on OK. Done. Once you have done this, so as you can see, this total bill after discount is 580, received in cash 80, MasterCard in 500. Assume you have done all the cash bill today, and if you would like to close the counter, just enter close counter, confirm, and as you can see, your opening balance is in 200. Today cash sales 759. Your cash balance for now is 959. So once you done this, you can also click on SQL posting. Just select the SQL posting button. System will automatically post your cash bill 759 into your SQL cash sales. So let's look on this cash sales 759 and all the breakdown of item. Thank you.